Hi students, I am Praveen Sebastian Paul. In this lecture we are discussing the NCC personnels, that is the persons associated with NCC. So as we all know, the National Cadet Corps is a young wing of armed forces which comes under the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. The NCC is the largest uniformed youth organization in the world. And the organizational structure of NCC is: the NCC is headed by the Director General with the rank of Lieutenant Colonel. He is assisted by two additional Director Generals of 2-star rank, that is Major General or Rear Admiral or Air Vice Marshal. Under these two additional Director Generals, 5 brigadier level officers and other civil officials also assisting him. And we can see 17 directorates of NCC in our country. Under these directorates, divisions or regiment corps are organized. Under these regiment corps, the groups are organized. Under the group, battalions are organized. And finally, under the battalion, company or unit of NCC is organized. And the current Director General of NCC is Lieutenant General Rajiv Chopra. And in our country, there are 17 directorates and 96 group headquarters. These 17 directorates are divided into total 814 units. Out of these 814 units, 684 units are Army Wing units, 69 Naval Wing unit and 61 Air Squadrons. And there are 2 training establishments. One is Officers Training School at Nagpur, Maharashtra, and second one is Women Officer Training School, which is located in Gwalior. And when we come to the personnels or persons associated with NCC, the base level persons are cadet ranks, regular officers, whole-time lady officers, and associate NCC officers. When we discuss the cadet ranks, the junior division boys and junior wing girls are given a rank up to Company Sergeant Major (CSM) in the Army Wing. Only senior division boys and senior wing girls are given rank above CSM in the Army Wing. In the Air Force and Navy Wing, junior division boys and junior wing girls are given rank up to Cadet Warrant Officer or Petty Officer Cadet. So for the cadets, the ranks are Company Sergeant Major (CSM) for the junior division and junior wing girls in the Army Wing. And for the senior division and senior wing girls in the Army Wing, the ranks can be given above CSM rank. And for the Air Force and Navy Wings, the ranks are Cadet Warrant Officer or Petty Officer Cadet. So these are the ranks given for the NCC cadets in the NCC unit. And the next person associated is a regular officer. The NCC directorates are headed by service officers of the rank of Major General and equivalent. Group headquarters are headed by service officers of the rank Brigadiers and equivalent. And the units are headed by service officers of the rank Colonel or Lieutenant Colonel or Major or equivalent rank. These persons are responsible for the proper training, planning and execution of the NCC activities in our country. And the next persons associated are whole-time lady officers. A cadre of whole-time lady officer WTLO with a cadre strength of 110 officers has been sanctioned in 1995. They are to be commissioned partly through departmental channel and partly through Union PSC in phased manner. So these officers serve for the proper training, planning and execution of the NCC activity in our nation. And the root and the major officer is Associate NCC Officer. An Associate NCC Officer or ANO is an important link in the NCC organization between the battalion and the cadet. As a matter of fact, ANO is the feeder node of NCC, since he or she is the one who is in direct contact with the cadets all throughout the year. There are two training establishments, namely Officers Training School, which is located at Kamte, Nagpur, Maharashtra, and Women Officers Training School, which is located at Gwalior. These two institutions train the school and college teachers selected to the head of the company or troop. The courses in these institutions ranges from 21 days to 90 days in duration. Associate NCC officer ANO are given the following ranks according to their seniority and their training. The ANOs are commissioned in NCC and not in regular armed forces. For the college level, the in charge of senior division and senior wing, the ranks commissioned are major, captain, and lieutenant. And for the school level, the officers in charge of junior division and junior wing, the ranks are chief officer, first officer, second officer, and third officer. So these are the ranks for ANO or Associate NCC Officer. So my dear students, these are the major personnels associated with NCC. The hierarchical classification is Director General, Additional Director General, Brigadier level officers, Directorates, Divisions, Groups, Battalion, and NCC Company. And the important persons are cadet ranks, regular officers, all-time lady officers, and associate NCC officer. So my dear student, hope you had understood this hierarchical level or organization or personal classification of NCC. So dear student, kindly go through this assignment question. The question is, write in detail about the NCC personnels. So my dear student, in the upcoming lecture we will discuss the training and uniform pattern of NCC. See you soon. Until then, goodbye. Thank you and all the best.